Okay, we're going to be starting subtraction. Okay, this is lesson 3. All right, it says exploring subtraction 3-digit numbers. Okay, so use 10 blocks to find the difference. Okay, whenever I see the word difference right here, okay, it means to what again? Subtract. Yes, subtract. So I need to use base 10 blocks, and this is what they mean. Okay. How many 10s do I have in 85? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? And how many 10s? How many 1s, sorry? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. But I need to find 85 minus 21. How many 10s in 21? 2 of them. 1, 2. And then how many 1s in 21? 1. Okay. So if I take away 2 minus the 8, right? Right? Take away 2 of those. I have how many left? 6. If I take away 1 from 5, okay, 1 from 5, how many are left? 4. So now I have 4 1s, right? And how many 10s? 6. 4 1s, and I have 6 10s. So 85 minus 21 is 64. If I want to check my answer, I can do something like this. 85 minus 21. Okay, 5 minus 1 is? 5 minus 1. 4. Okay. 8 minus 2? 6. So yeah, so that would be correct. Okay. Here's another example. Okay, Eva bought a bag of 475 glass beads. She used 134 beads to make a necklace. How many beads are left in the bag? All right, so again, Eva bought a bag of 475 glass beads. She only used 134 of beads to make a necklace. How many beads are left? Okay, here's a key word right there, left. That just tells me to subtract. Okay. So one number goes to the top. The bigger number goes to the top, right? Okay, so whatever run you're writing, 475 minus, obviously, 134. Do I start from the left or from the right? From the right. Okay, make sure you have enough room. Don't put them all close together. Okay, you might want to write them a little bit bigger. You have a lot of space. Okay, so 5 minus 4? What is it?
1.
1. Okay, and then 7 minus 3? 4. And then 4 minus 1?
3.
3. So how many beads does she have left in her bag?
341.
341, that is correct. Okay. So this is one way to do it. What was another way that we learned? I need to use what kind of blocks? Base 10 blocks, okay? So for 475, how many hundreds do I have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And how many 10s? 7. So that would be the skinny ones like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then how many 1s? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and 134, I need to subtract how many from the ones place? 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I need to subtract how many from the tens place? 3. 1, 2, 3. And then how many from the hundreds place? 1. So now let's see how much I have left. Okay. I have how many ones? 1. Whoops. My bad. I have 1. How many tens? 4. And then how many hundreds? 3. Let's see, is that right? Yep. That's another way to do it. Okay, here's another problem, okay? However, in this problem, we're going to talk about regrouping. Okay? That means when, I have to borrow from the tens place or hundreds, depending which one it is. Okay, it says, Alexi needs to plant 355 flowers in the garden. Okay. Alex plants 223 flowers before taking a break. How many flowers does he still need to plant? Okay. So how much does he need to plant in the garden? How many? What was it? Okay, everybody? 355. How many did he plant already? 223 he planted already. Oh, I guess we don't need to regroup. Okay. Right. So do I start on the left or the right? Right. On the right side. So it's 5 minus 3. 2. And then 5 minus 2 is 3. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. You see at the bottom where it says check your answer, show your work. How would I check my answer? I could do base 10 blocks, yes. I possibly could, but that would be a huge number line. Okay, what's the opposite of subtraction? Adding. So if I went 355 minus 223 equals 132, then I would go the opposite direction. Then I would add 132 plus 223. I should get 355, right? Yes? Yeah. So let's check our work. Let's see. So I'm going to add 132 plus 223. And I should get 355, right? Let's see. 2 plus 3 is? 5. Okay. 3 plus 2? 5. 5. See? 3, 4, 5. And then 1 plus 3? 1 plus 2, sorry? 3. Yep, that was right.